Good day, viewers. My name is Enoch Maroro from the Central University of Technology, and I'm here to showcase my final year project from Design Projects 3. My project stems from these two articles, the first one from the City Insider and the other one from the AP New York. So, in real life, many accidents happen at a pedestrian crossing because of careless, distracted drivers. Sometimes vehicles don't stop, even when pedestrians have a right of way, leading to unnecessary accidents. So my project is designed to counter such problems. So here we have our flowchart. Flowchart is just a basic communication of how the program is going to run, where it starts, the inputs and outputs are mentioned, and then they're initialized, and so on and so on, and then the program just keeps on running continuously, right? So on and so on. Here we have our schematic. Schematic shows the connection of the components of this circuit. We have our Arduino, the microchip that controls the whole circuit. We have servo motor, we have the buzzer, we have the relay, and so on and so on. And then moving over here, we have the PCB design of the whole circuit. So coming over here to our physical circuit, we have our LCD display, which will be giving us real-time feedback of what's happening in the system. We have our two LEDs. We have our servo motor acting as a gate, opening and closing. We have our PIR number 1. We have our relay, which is controlling this buzzer over here. We have our Arduino, and then we have PIR 2 for the pedestrians crossing out. So let me plug the system so we can see how this circuit works. So as you can see here, the system is ready to run, and I'll be using my hands to demonstrate because the PIR sensor detects body heat to actually start sensing, right? So as we can see here, the gate closed. It says there's 2 kids crossing, 4 kids crossing, counting up, and to the exit side, when the kids come out, it starts counting down. 1. When there's finally no kids, it's gonna start getting ready to open. And then over here we have our ultrasonic sensor. In this instance, nothing will happen because there is no kids crossing, so the cars can just pass freely. But if there is a kid crossing, the gate closes. It will report that there's cars coming, and the cars should stop. When it came to choosing sensors, I first started with the IR sensor, and it gave me problems because of the inaccuracy of the sunlight and so on. So I settled for PIR sensors, and then the relay gave me a bit of a problem when it came to connecting to normally open, because I thought that maybe if you connect to normally open, it would be an open circuit, and then only when I need the buzzer to go on, then it would actually trigger the coil, and then the buzzer makes a noise.